Welcome 4th standard children. We'll complete of the grammar part exercises, that is on page 41. So children, take page 41, open your text and you all listen to me and do the exercise children on page 41, dear Dilip. Now circle the correct adverbs within the bracket. So two adverbs are given in the bracket. You all have to choose the correct adverb. Komal has gone, രണ്ട് adverb later downstairs. അപ്പോൾ ഏതാ correct? Downstairs. Komal has gone downstairs. The tortoise moved slowly, not neatly, slowly. Yet it won the race. Mohan goes for a jog early in the morning. It is a terrible storm. Please come inside. The school bus will be arriving soon. Mr. Puri came home late from his office. We put away the cutlery in the drawer. Away, not here, away ആണ്. Away എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് മാറ്റി വെക്കുക. Now first fry the onions and then add the tomatoes. A nut fell on Tina's head. She looked up and saw a squirrel on the tree. That's what. Now we'll go to page 42. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. അപ്പം adverbs ആണ് നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കണം ഏതൊക്കെ adverb. I told you ഏതൊക്കെ adverb, when, where, how. ആ ആൻസേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളതാണ് adverb. I will visit my aunt soon. കണ്ടോ എപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ ആൻറ്റിനെ വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക? soon. when. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് ആൻസർ soon ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ soon is the adverb there. Clean your room carefully. എങ്ങനെയാണ് റൂം ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? carefully. അപ്പോൾ carefully ആണ് അവിടെ adverb. how, അവിടെ how ആണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വരിക. You will find the earring. The rabbit gnawed at the carrot noisily. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അത് കാർന്ന് തിന്നത്? carrot noisily, ഒച്ച ഉണ്ടാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട്. how, that is noisily. Noisily is the adverb. We will hold the fair here on Saturday. കണ്ടോ here on Saturday. അവിടെ എവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് എവിടെ? here. when Saturday. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് adverb ഉണ്ട്. where and when. കണ്ടോ where and when നുള്ള ഉത്തരമുണ്ട്. where means here, when Saturday. അപ്പോൾ here and Saturday അവിടെ adverb ആണ്. Now pile the wood. pile means കൂട്ടത്തോടെ ഇടാൻ. pile the wood neatly into a stack. stack means ഒരു നല്ലൊരു കുന്നുമാതിരി വെക്കാൻ. neatly. how ആണ് അവിടെ വരിക. neatly is the adverb. we should leave now. എപ്പോഴാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ലീവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? we should leave now. അപ്പോൾ now ആണ് അവിടെ adverb. do your homework quickly. വേഗത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ. how quickly. so those are the adverbs. now fill in the blanks with the correct adverb from the bracket. Here there are two adverbs. You all have to choose the correct adverb. do not speak rudely to your elders. Manish drives his scooter carefully. The sun is shining brightly. The nightingale sings sweetly. The little boys peered means through the window curiously. The hungry dog ate its food greedily. Now the D next one, write when, where, how to indicate the role of each. Underline adverb ഇവിടെ underline ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ആ adverb എന്തിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരമാണ്? ഹൗവിൻ്റെ ആണോ, വെന്നിൻ്റെ ആണോ, വേറിൻ്റെ ആണോ? കണ്ടോ അതാണ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. The train will arrive soon. അത് എന്തിൻ്റെ ആയിരിക്കും? when. അതവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. We should go in. It is going to rain. എങ്ങോട്ടൊക്കെ പോകേണ്ടത്? in. അപ്പോൾ അത് where. do your work sincerely. എങ്ങനെയാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? how ആണ് അവിടെ വരിക. my uncle is walking quickly. how is your uncle walking? quickly. it has been raining continuously since yesterday. how it was raining? continuously. check your answers immediately. when you should check your answers? Immediately. So when? We are going away. Where? Away. So where is the question word? Now next we'll come to page 43. Complete these sentences with adverbs from the box. There are adverbs given. Fluently, forward, early, yesterday, anyway, anxiously, daily, swiftly. So you have to fill up. The children had to leave for a school trip in the morning. So they went to bed early. That they have done for you. Now next we'll do. I bought a box of chocolates yesterday. The lizard swiftly climbed the wall. Gauri can speak French fluently. Vijaya bent forward to whisper in my ear. Radha looked for a dog anxiously, but she couldn't find him anywhere. He goes for cricket practice daily. Now write one word answers. Choose adverb from the box. Kada, idinokka one word answer. Appa adu box inatna theranjedukkendathu. When will the flight leave? Immediately. Appa immediately adu avudunnu eduthu. How should one cross the road? Carefully. When does your heart beat? Eppalana heart beat cheya? Always. Innana samayundo? Always the heart is beating. How must we speak to our elders? Politely. Now, when do you wake up in the morning? Early. How does a snail move? Slowly. How should we treat our siblings? Siblings means kuttigala. How do you treat? Lovingly. How does a cheetah run? Fast. So we finished with this, children. So okay, the next I will continue in the next video. Thank you, children.